Hi there, this is Connie Zabala, your virtual assistant trainer, and I'm here to help you get your time freedom back. Today, I invited someone, a financial advisor, who will advise us about our finances since we own our own business. This is Ian Lontoc.
Hi everyone, good morning.
So Ian, can you share more about how to handle your finances as a VA since we don't have any benefits like SSS, Pag-ibig, and Medicare or Medicard? So, Ian, take it away.
Sure, thank you. So for virtual assistants, you also treat this like your own business. So just like any other businesses, you need to also budget your money. And one way to budget your money is the one that we use, which is the abundance formula. Dati kasi, di ba, ang ginagawa natin, when you get your money, you pay all your bills, and then kung ano matitira, yun na isi-save. Pero ang tanong, may natitira ba? So we also need to consider to set aside for ourselves. So what we do is we set 10% for tithes, 20% for savings, and then 70% for your expenses. Para at least maubos mo man yung 70%, meron ka nang natabi na 20% for your savings and retirement.
I hope you learned something, and if you want to learn more about how to handle your finances,
yes, you can just add me through Facebook or visit my Facebook page. That's Gian Crystal, Gian, then Crystal, Crystal. Or you can also reach me through cell phone. That's 0916-5539795.
okay, so that's about it. And for aspiring VAs, if you want to learn more about virtual assistant, just sign up to my VA Masterclass. That's for free. Go to vamasterclass.conniezabala.com. And if you find this video helpful, just please like, comment, or share. Thank you for watching. Bye.